Hey y'all, I wanted to come in and make this quick video for YouTube because I am a Mac user and I just ordered not too long ago this Logitech MX mechanical keyboard to go with the MX Master 3S. I'm really familiar with this mouse because I have the 3 as well. So I really like this mouse. It said that, you know, if you're going to get the mechanical keyboard, that it goes best with the 3S, you know, because they're compatible with the same dongle. And that's very important for Mac users because for the first 24 hours of me having the keyboard, I could not get in. And I looked online everywhere. I looked videos up. I looked everywhere. So I could not get in. Like once I restart my computer, I couldn't type my password on this one. I had to go get my old keyboard and log in to get in. And I couldn't figure it out. I couldn't figure it out for nothing. And I was looking and looking. So I started reading about it instead of just looking for videos the lazy way. And I found out with Mac users, if you are using this keyboard that does not come with a dongle, the Mac does not come with the dongle, FYI. The keyboard, the IMac Master mechanical keyboard for Mac, it does not come with a dongle. I just had to do a thumbnail, but it does not come with a dongle. So I was lucky because I wanted a dongle for this one. So this one is not the for Mac because the ones for Mac don't come with dongles. So this one right here is the regular one, not for Mac. So it came with a dongle. I wanted a dongle because this one came with a dongle. Thank goodness I got the one with the dongle. Because if you don't have the dongle, you're going to have to order a dongle for Mac users. If you want to be able to get in your computer with this keyboard. Because we have something that's called a foul voltage. And what that is it blocks any Bluetooth that's trying to get in once we restart or lock out our iMacs. So it will not work at all. The keyboard will not work at all until it's actually on. And how to get on with iMac, you have to put your password in. So when you're buying this, I would say buy it separately, or you can buy it together and then just buy the dongle. It depends on the deal that's going on at the moment or whatever, and you just choose how you're going to do it. But at the end, you got to have a dongle for it to work. So when you go in, it's an app. And well, I can't show it now on my thing, but wait, there though. It's an app. That's the app right there. Elijah Options Plus. That is for the one with the MX Master 3S. So you will go there, and instead of clicking for Bluetooth to pair it, make sure that you click the dongle. It'll say the bolt. It'll tell you it's a bolt. It'll tell you, it says bolt something, but the dongle will be there. You choose that, and then it's going to ask you to click left on your mouse, click right on your mouse, click, just listen to whatever it says. And then when you click, it's going to ask you, how do you want to hook this one up? Instead of clicking the Bluetooth, just click the dongle one. And then it's going to ask you to put in a code from your keyboard to identify it. And then you're in. So when you restart, because if you're anything like me that work from home, I like to clear cache, and I like to restart every morning and every night before I go to bed, before I leave my desk. So what I do is I clear cache, I dump my trash, and then I restart. So with me doing that, my computer's always locked when I'm not around. So I needed that dongle. So this video is just for iMac users, really. If you are confused about why your computer is not working at all and why you can't get inside and why this dongle keyboard is not working, just get the dongle that goes with the mouse. Get the one for iMac if you want the keyboard, but it doesn't matter if you, especially if you going to go for black and gray, because the only difference between the one for Mac when it comes to the mouse is the color. You can get the off-white color for Mac, but everything else is the same. So you could get that, or you could just buy it together and just get a dongle on the side. But all Mac users need a dongle. Okay, talk to you later. Bye.